How to collect rewards on QuipuSwap for baking. Locking tokens in QuipuSwap to provide liquidity allows you to passively earn both trading and baking rewards. Baking rewards are distributed monthly in proportion to your share and the time you've been holding it. Baking is only available in liquidity pools that include XTZ. You cannot bake token to token. Connect Tezos wallet to the website. We recommend you use the Temple wallet. The overall reward volume you have accumulated so far can be checked in the voting section. The reward can be withdrawn by tapping the Claim Reward button. Now confirm the transaction. Voila! The rewards are now sent to your account. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about Tezos.